Okay, so before I get into the video on the giveaway, I just want to remind you guys that I have a Patreon account, and over there I have additional giveaways just for Patreons every month, and as well as if you're looking for things that I'll be selling. I know that I've put out some posts before on selling items. I think that my Patreon account would be a better place to post those, so if you're looking for those as well, check it out over there. Of course, things for sale aren't just going to be for Patreons. Of course, anyone can buy those, so those will be for sale over there. And now we'll get into the video. Okay, so this is a bonus giveaway video. You guys met the threshold, the number that I had for the 25K giveaway announcement video, so keep on hitting the like button on that video, and I will go and add more vendors to the giveaway list. Obviously there's more coming, and just follow the current giveaway playlist. I'll put the playlist in the description as well as a card in the corner to that. You want to make sure you follow that playlist for all the giveaway videos that will be coming out, and make sure you enter all those that you haven't actually entered. But this is a bonus giveaway. It wasn't in the original list, and there's some nice motors from LHI 2407s. Go and check out that review video. This is just a video from that review video I'm playing over here on voiceover. So yeah, check out that motor. If you like it, enter this contest, and I'll do the drawing for this one at the end of the month. Same rules as most of the other giveaways. You got to be a subscriber, like the video, and then leave just one comment below, and only one comment in the comment section below, and that'll be your entry, and I'll do the drawing at the end of the month. Good luck, guys, and keep on hitting the like button if you haven't already liked that video, the 25K giveaway announcement video, and if it keeps getting more likes, the next threshold, if the next threshold is met, I will add another bonus giveaway. So hopefully you guys will do that, and we'll have another giveaway additional to the rest of the ones that we're already going on. Anyway, good luck, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.